Good morning, children. Now we start our new unit, fourth. It is Tenali paints a horse. First, look at the picture and answer the questions that follow. Here we can observe a picture that is regarding to our lesson, and after the completion of our lesson, you can able to answer these questions yourself. First we go with the reading. Tenali Raman was a poet and jester in the court of King Krishnadevaraya of Vijayanagar. He was famous for his wit and intelligence. This interesting play provides an example of his wit. Read the drama and answer the questions that follow. Here they given some characters in this story. Then the characters are Raja Krishnadevaraya. He is the king of Vijayanagar, and the next one is Tenali Raman. He is a poet and jester in the court. And first courtier, second courtier, third and fourth. Four courtiers are there. Then in the scene one day, Raja Krishnadevaraya and his courtiers watch as an artist shows his paintings to the king. The king and most of his courtiers are impressed with the paintings. However, one of the courtiers, Tenali Raman, looks displeased. Raja, that is really a beautiful painting. I can almost feel the peace of the village scene. You are a very talented artist. Here is a bag of gold for you. We shall be very pleased if you can stay on at our court and make more beautiful paintings like these. Then artist, Your Highness is very kind. It will be an honor to paint for your majesty. Tenali, I do not think that there are such good paintings at all. Raja, how can you say that? I think they are perfectly lovely. Tenali, for one thing, where is the other side of these two men? You can only see the one side. You can only see their one side. For another, where is the face of that cow? Raja, what an ignorant fool you are. Everything cannot be painted. You must imagine the bits that are missing. Tenali, I bet I can paint better than that. Well, I could if I had the paints. Then Raja, I bet a bag of gold that you can't. I will give you the paints and the paper. You may also take leave from the court for a month. If at the end of the month you bring me a painting that is half as good as one we saw today, I promise you a bag of gold and a title King of Artists. Tenali, I agree. After a month, I will show you a better painting than that one. The courtiers start smiling, thinking that he would lose the bet. They know Tenali Raman cannot paint at all. Tenali looks at the giggling courtiers angrily and walks out. First courtier, you have really caught him out. Sir, he thinks he is the smartest person in the world. Second courtier, he has really painted himself into a corner. I would like to see him get out of that one. Raja, I wouldn't be too certain of that. He is really very clever. In the scene 2, a month is over. The courtiers are waiting eagerly for Tenali to bring in his painting. They are smiling and whispering to each other. Raja, so what do we do today? First courtier, sir, the day has arrived when Tenali Raman shows you his painting. Raja, where is he? It's late and almost time for my lunch. Second courtier, perhaps he is so busy with his painting that he has lost track of the days. Third courtier, perhaps his painting is so good that he can't bear to part with it. Raja, well, I can't wait anymore. Somebody should go to his house and tell him that he has lost his bet and the bag of gold. Fourth courtier, it's only fair that if he doesn't make good his boast, he should pay a penalty. I feel he should pay the court a bag of gold. First courtier, indeed, yes, I agree, sir, that he should. Third courtier, there he is. He seems to have brought it, but it is covered with cloth. Tenali comes in with two men carrying a painting covered with a sheet of cloth. When Tenali gestures, the men lifted the cloth to display an empty canvas. The painting has only a few curved strokes of black on the right hand edge and a few green lines at the bottom below it. Tenali, good afternoon, sir. See what a beautiful horse I have drawn. It's a magnificent black stallion with a white star on its forehead. Look at the polished leather saddle on it. I wonder if I should have the reins trail like that. Raja, what's this? I cannot see a horse. This is very insulting. You are trying to make a fool of me. There is nothing on this canvas. Tenali, well, you are the one who told me that we had to use our imagination when we looked at paintings. Imagine that the rest of the horse is just outside the canvas grazing at some lush green grass. Look, you can see the edge of its tail in that corner. Raja, you old rascal, you have got the better of me. Minister, where is that bag of gold? Give it to Tenali Raman, the cleverest man in my kingdom. Krishnadevaraya was the king of Vijayanagara, and Tenali Raman was a poet and jester at Krishnadevaraya's court. Tenali Raman was famous for his wit and intelligence. On many occasions, he made king laugh at his jokes and for his funny answers. The present story is about a proof of his wit. That is Tenali paints a horse. One day, a great artist from another kingdom came to the court of Krishnadevaraya. He showed the paints to the king, and everyone impressed and accepted the paintings except Tenali Raman. In that painting, he showed village atmosphere and the peace. The king praised the artist and gave a bag of gold. King asked the artist to stay in his court for more paintings. The Tenali Raman said that paintings of artists were not good. He explained the mistake in that painting, and the king replied further that it was not possible for any painter for everything, and that missing things in painting we have to be imagined. Tenali Raman challenged with king that he will paint better than that artist and leave for 1 month. The time passed and everyone court waited for Raman. And finally he came along with 2 men with his painting. He showed it to the king. By looking at the painting, the king got and said angrily, "Is this a painting?" And in that the king could see nothing in that painting. Raman replied, "It is the edge of a horse tail. Rest of the horse was outside the canvas and it was grazing grass. The rest of that we have to be imagined." The king, surprised with his answer and felt happy and prized him a bag of gold. This is a summary of this story, children, and along with this you need to answer for these questions also. We'll send you the photos of these question and answers. Along with that, we'll send these question and answers also. So we go with the vocabulary. First bit, fill in the blanks with suitable words given below. Here they given some words and they given fill in the blanks also. We have to find out the correct suitable word in the blank, and we need to fill it with the correct word for making a meaningful sentence. Then the first one is Bibo was a jester in the court of Akbar. Then the second one is the teacher was pleased with the nice work done by his pupils. Third one is Shada paid a penalty for not paying the fees on time. Fourth one is when I visited Kashmir, the mountains were covered. It is covered with snow. Fifth one, you should use your imagination when you look at a painting. So these are the suitable words